Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Xiaomi Mix Flip, and let me share with you how to use secret codes on this device. So before we'll start, a quick disclaimer: I highly recommend to click in the link which is in the description box. You will be transferred to our website where you can check a lot of tutorials regarding this device and the codes which I'll present you today with some additional explanation. So let me start by entering the dialer, and let's start with the shortest code, which is *#06#. And as you can see, thanks to this code we are provided with both email numbers of this device. So let's tap on OK, and let me show you another code which will open the About Phone section. So it is *##, 4 O's, ###. And here we've got the device information, so we can check the hardware version, software version, and both email numbers again. Let's go back and let me show you another code for charging and battery information. It is *##6485. And here we are in the charging and battery information, so you can check the status of your battery, whether it is charging or discharging, the condition of it, etc. So this is a section where you can find some problems with your battery. So for example, you are trying to charge it and it is not charging, so you can check the status here and manage everything. Alright, so another code will open the calendar information. It is *##, 225, ###, and basically here we've got the list of all the events which are saved in your device or on your mail. You can check some family events, some holidays in your country, or events attached to your mail, as I said. So this is the best place to check the events because here they're grouped into particular sections. Let's go back, and another code, *##, 426, ###. And here we are in the diagnostics, so we can check the server, host, port, time connected. We can tap on events, and here we've got some further details. After tapping on the 3D icon, we can show advanced view. Just tap on it and tap on the status, and here we've got much more information. So for example, the heartbeat, last ping, or HB algorithm. Let's go back and let me show you the last code, I believe, which will open the testing mode. It is *##, 4636, #*#. And here we are in the testing mode. The phone information is divided into two different sections because we've got two different SIM card slots, and the Wi-Fi information, simply tap on it. We can check the status, for example, we can refresh the stats, and here we've got the SSID or network ID. We can also run ping test here. And in the phone information, we can check the info just like the email number again, car network, voice service, signal strength. Of course, you will be able to check the information if you will have your SIM card inserted. You can run ping test here, and after tapping on the 3 dots icon, you can also enable data connection or view service dialing numbers. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.